Flotation is the process of using the water to separate the dirt from the heavy residue and material that floats to the top, usually charcoal, organic material, and so we can then leave it out to dry. It can then be sorted through. It's important to have this area so that we can get started on the process of flotation, on separating the soil samples that have been taken. If we didn't have it, then it'd all have to be done in the lab, and that would take a lot of time, and it's just pretty much a time saver to have it here on site with us. So it just gives us a good head start on the post-ex work. With the tanks here, we fill them up with water and then we put mesh, like this sort of thing, around the sides, and we make sure to put a smaller sieve, a very small grain sieve, usually about 0.5 millimeters, and then we put another lining of mesh over that, and that will catch the floating residue, the organic material that will then float to the top and fall out with the water. The soil will then separate and fall to the bottom of this tank of water. We'll then take out the mesh and hose it down into a bucket so that we can then wet sieve it through a stack of sieves of different sizes, so you can separate the larger stones from the smaller stones, and also separating any other materials like bone and a glass that might come through. I gave it a go in first year on the Isle of Isla, and I just really enjoyed it. It's peaceful, it's calm, and it's really satisfying. The silt that we find at the bottom is also really, really smooth, so it's a nice feel. Yeah, I just found out that I really enjoyed doing it. I like doing a lot of the other field work as well. I love digging, fines sorting, that's quite fun, but I just found my specialty with the actual flotation process.